All right, we're back. So we've been scrutinizing the paint over here. So he's feeling the smoothness of the paint now, not the reflectability. And the more he keeps going over the nano, it's getting smoother.
It is getting smoother. It's almost like it's bonding.
It's breaking in.
It's not the same feel that it had when I first put it on.
Yeah.
Something's going on.
And this was next up on the smoothness. And
this one's next.
And the Suma was the smoothest
of
the three. But
right.
The real difference is the double layer is really smooth.
Yeah. This feels like glass.
So
we double layered it here.
So this has the Suma on the first coat and then the Fortified on top.
Right.
So it's got 2 layers on there, and now that's super smooth.
Yeah, this literally feels like glass.
So
I couldn't tell the difference.
My guess is probably going to do that on all of these things. As you put more layers on, it's going to build on it a little bit.
Yeah.
And it's probably going to make it smoother.
Yeah.
It kind of makes sense. Now the nano stuff, I'm not sure why you're getting a difference in that, but
I don't either. And then like
something's going on.
I was telling you, I'll have the other part of the vehicle clayed to where the paint surface is prepped like brand new, and we'll try it on that too.
Yeah, tomorrow he's going to have the whole car gone over, so more than likely they'll probably go over this whole thing again. He's going to come back and reapply all the 3 materials on there.
On a clayed surface.
On a clean prep surface, so all panels are equally.
Correct.
So it's 100% equal starting point.
That will be more than just starting from a washed car.
I would think if we had a little bit bigger panel for the ceramic, it might help a little better, but the back panel, you can't do that paint first, or is that going to be done in a couple days?
By the end of the day tomorrow, I'll be ready.
Okay,
so we'll be able to do that whole
So
panel.
if we put the ceramic on the back, we got more of a flat area to see.
Right.
So why don't you do this?
It's not broken up here.
You can do the ceramic on both fenders if you want.
Okay. All right.
And let's get more of an idea, because obviously the only thing we got to look at reflective is right here.
Right.
So it's not a very good area. At least this here, we'd have this whole upper area we could see pretty good. So.
Right. And it's pretty flat right there, so it
gives us more area, because that's got all the bulge in there from the wheel well. You can't see squat. So
I think you cannot deny that this is getting smoother.
It is, huh? That's weird.
I mean, I don't know why, but it wasn't that smooth when I first put it on.
It's those black gloves.
No.
That's all it is.
No, I'm telling you, it's getting smoother. So I don't know what the deal is there. It's getting smoother.
Yeah, it is.
It's getting smoother. It literally is getting smooth. I don't know what the heck it's doing, but
they feel kind of equal now.
Yeah, it's getting smoother. And we haven't done anything but the nano technology on this one.
Yeah, just let it sit.
And I mean, I don't know if it's the lighting, but
yeah,
there's some gloss coming out of it too. It's getting a little glossier. I'm seeing some gloss come out of it. So I think maybe.
What, do we got another clean towel left? Or we used them all up?
No, we got another clean towel.
We just go over the whole car real quick.
Huh?
Give it a good buff. Just do the whole car, the whole sides, all 3 panels again. Let's just go ahead and give it a quick go over, see what we got. Like I said, this is our armor shield, is our nano. The SHINE armor was our number 2, our Fortified, and then Suma was the Suma. So those are our 3 different ones. Like I said, the front fender definitely is not as glossy as by looking at this angle, but like I said, we have so little smooth area, it's hard to see it. That's the problem. I think that's kind of an illusion we're getting. But yeah, those back panels, you can definitely see the reflection in what's going on.
And then we get to this part right here, and the rag just
you really feel
it's just
nothing.
Slides. There's nothing there.
Yeah, glides,
no resistance at all.
Glides right over it.
Yeah.
Now we're definitely picking up reflectability right here.
Yeah.
You can start to see.
There's something going on there with that. That's as time's going.
It's still dull through here, but right here I got more reflectability. You can kind of see me. I'm still not much, but it's more than it was. Over here, you can see my logo on my shirt. You can see everything. And over here, this has got. You gotta remember, this is double down here, so this is only right here is where it's Sumo, and Sumo is. It's looking pretty equal. Yeah. If I'd say right now, it's smoother right here. It's shinier right here.
Yeah, that was where we had just.
And over here.
The sumo, right?
Yeah. Dull. It definitely gets shinier right here. This is definitely shinier. Now this is a pretty flat panel, and I'm kind of dull. I'm all right, but it's not the same as being here, and definitely not right here. Right in here, you can really see me pretty good. So it definitely makes a difference. All right, like I said, we'll be back in a couple weeks, whatever, 3 weeks, and we'll come do a checkup on it, see how it looks. All right, there you go. 3-way shootout. Keep going back and forth, so Suma's picking up.